Alright, welcome to another episode of ReCast Fishing in SoCal. So, I guess this will be our first episode of the year. It's really not going to be fishing, it's more about talking to you guys, saying thank you for staying with us last year, and we're hoping to do more videos this year, and it's going to be a great year starting off. We upgraded a lot of gears. Greg got brand new reels.
One brand new reel.
Yeah.
Well, and you too, because you got me.
Yeah, exactly. Brand new reels. And I got myself a new pole because I've broken one. If you haven't seen that video, please look in the link up above. And we're looking into going different kind of place to fish because Greg's been working on this project boats and all kinds of new stuff going on this year, and it's gonna be more exciting, and yeah, all this stuff is gonna be happening. And California, things have been changing due to like the weather. It's winter, but it's actually hot. It's really weird. The fires, it rains just like last week, right?
Yeah.
And then all this mudslides been happening. It's been pretty crazy out here, and you know, everyone's trying to do their best to get everything back together again. And freshwater, saltwater is just, you know, it's crazy right now. But fishing's gonna be very interesting, and I could see that this year is gonna be another interesting year for fishing. Stay tuned with us, and hoping that my channel is gonna grow even more, and hopefully I'll be able to collaborate with all you guys and make this channel a more interesting place to fish. One thing I couldn't achieve last year as of goals is to catch a striper. So I'm hoping that'll be something I could achieve this year. So is there something you want to do this year, Greg? As of a goal?
Get my boat on the water again?
Without thinking? So yeah. So we do have a set goal, and hopefully we get those goals achieved. Hopefully by the end of the year. I have a lot of hopes and a lot of faith in our fishing. And if you have any goals, fishing goals, please put that in the description, or I mean the comments below. And if there's any types of videos you'd like us to do, put that in the comments too. I'm always asking you guys, and you guys are our biggest inspiration to this channel, so you know, we're always asking you guys what kind of fishing you want to see. Okay?
Yep.
So hit that like button, and more likes, and we'll try to make those types of videos. And we'll see you again, another episode of ReCast
Fishing in SoCal.